Hi, I'm Steve Rushmore, and today I want to tell you about a new course I recently developed. It's called How to Perform a Hotel Market Analysis, Make Financial Projections, and Value a Hotel by using the latest version of my hotel market analysis and valuation software. After more than 40 years evaluating thousands of hotels throughout the world, I have learned there are three basic skills every hotelier needs to possess. The first is knowing how to perform a hotel market analysis. How does your property compete with other properties in the market? And how to measure the impact of new hotels entering the market. It's also used for doing hotel feasibility studies. The second skill is the ability to accurately forecast revenue and expenses, how to evaluate your hotel's financial performance, and budgeting for the future. And lastly, you need to know how to measure the value of your hotel. Every operational decision ultimately affects your property's value. My course details the procedures for valuing a hotel along with strategies to enhance value. If you want to learn these essential skills, I have boiled them down into a comprehensive 30-hour online course giving you everything needed to perform a hotel market analysis, forecast revenue expense, and develop a hotel valuation. Additionally, you will be working with the newest version of my hotel market analysis and valuation software. 3 state-of-the-art models used by thousands of hotel owners, operators, lenders, and consultants to make critical investment decisions. The course includes your personal copy of this software package, which will become a valuable component of your hotel analysis toolkit. Most importantly, I will play a vital role during your learning process. Through the wonders of Zoom, you can reach out to me with your questions, and I will personally assist your progress. Upon completion of the course, I will also be available to mentor your professional development. Hopefully, this will be the start of a long-term friendship. Lastly, upon successfully completing my course, you can earn the prestigious certification Certified Hotel Valuation Software Consultant. This designation will further enhance your resume and set you apart from other hotel industry professionals. To get an idea of what my course looks like, take a quick look at one of my lessons. This lesson, we're going to input hotel supply data and the competitive indices. Let's start off with the supply additions sheet. This sheet contains all the information of the existing supply, the existing HARC, and areas to enter in new supply. The top part of the sheet shows the HARC in the base year. This is the total of all the HARC, which is the rooms added during the base year. In this case, it's 1,017 rooms. This is the area that you start entering the proposed hotels. If the subject property is a proposed hotel, always enter it as hotel number 1. So we have the Holiday Inn, and it opened as of January 2023, so therefore it does not have a HARC. You put 125 rooms in 2023. And just like our other software, it shoots the room count out to the right. The next hotel we're going to enter is the second hotel that's coming into the market during the projection period, and that's the Hyatt Place that opens during 2021. Because it opens during the year, it has a HARC. So for 2021, you have to put the HARC, and in this case, it's 28. Enter 28 in that cell, it shoots it to the right. So in the cell to the right of it, in 2022, you need to change that to 110. And those are the two hotels that you enter. Now we go to the competitive index sheet. And this is where we enter any changes in the competitive indices of the hotels in the market. As you remember, competitive indices stay the same unless there's a reason why they should change over time. The competitive index sheet is arranged by market segment. This is the area of the commercial segment, and this is where you would enter any change in competitive indices. For example, the Courtyard opened during the base year, and therefore its competitive indices are expected to increase. In the base year in 2020, the Courtyard had a competitive index of 110. We project in 2021, it's going to go up to 120. The software then takes the 120 and shoots it to the right at 120. Therefore, you need to override it until it stabilizes. For example, for the Courtyard, in 2022, it's going to go up to 125, and therefore, going out into the future, it's stabilized at 125 for the commercial segment. There are 4 properties in the market that will have changing competitive indices. The Courtyard, which opened during the base year, the Roadway Inn, which has declining competitive indices, and the Holiday Inn, which opens in the future, along with the Hyatt Place, which opens in the future. Both the Holiday Inn and Hyatt Place were projecting the competitive indices to grow over time. This is where you enter it for the commercial segment. The same thing for the meeting group segment. We have the 4 properties that we need to change the competitive indices. The leisure segment the same way, and the airline segment, we don't have any changes in competitive indices. This is the sheet where we enter all the competitive indices that will change during the projection period. This course and software package also provides answers to a wide range of key hotel investment questions, such as how much is your hotel really worth? What can I do to maximize its value? What is the likely impact of new competition? How much value will a refurbishment add? Is my market strong enough to support adding more hotel rooms? What is the impact of my hotel if my brand adds a competitive property to the market? So why should I take this course? Quite simply, if your role includes responsibility for generating an economic return for yourself, your investors, or clients, you need to take my course and use this software to assist with all your important business decisions. For more information on my course, you can go to my websites, www.hotellearningonline.com or www.hotelvaluationsoftware.com, or email me at steve@steverushmore.com. So thanks for spending some time with me. I look forward to meeting you in my class and working together on your future endeavors. Have a great day.